Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amie Carter. Now that the cooler months are here, a lot of us are thinking about how we can save on energy bills. Well, did you know the right windows can make a huge difference in the comfort of your home? Renewal by Andersen has a huge countdown to Black Friday sale going on now. It's their biggest dollar discount of the year. Lucy O'Shields of Renewal by Andersen is here to talk about the benefits of their energy efficient windows. Welcome back to Showcase.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yes, and kicking things off, I think a lot of people kind of underestimate the amount of heat loss they may experience in their homes due to windows. How can your windows help improve energy efficiency?
Well, you know, our Acclaim windows are made with energy efficiency on the mind, right? So they feature high performance glass and even durable frames like our signature Fibrex composite material frame that's warranted not to warp or crack. It's also custom built to 1/16 of an inch of accuracy to go into the opening that you would like it to. So that's really cool because the tight spacing really minimizes those drafts and maximizes the comfort in your home. While the Fibrex material is warranted not to warp, crack, or even rot, those weather-tight seals are going to stay weather-tight.
And the Fibrex is incredibly durable, as you mentioned, and we were showing some footage. It's really beautiful. It looks like wood.
It does. You know, Fibrex material is the best option out there for your window material. It's durable, it's strong, it's energy efficient, it's low maintenance, and it's beautiful. So it looks like a wood window, it may feel like a wood window, but you're never going to have to paint it or scrape it.
That is awesome. And it's clear that Renewal by Andersen definitely has a great product. Tell us more about your service.
Oh, wonderful question, because when you call Renewal by Andersen, you're going to have one contact point. And so that really means that you have one company accountability. And that's important when you do a window and door project because you lose the hassle of having to deal with multiple contractors and multiple timelines, right?
Yeah.
So we handle everything from sale to manufacturing to installation to warranty. People, especially our customers, love the convenience of Renewal by Andersen.
Wow, I love that. And you all have a great window and door sale going on right now. Tell us more about that.
I know, it's the season, so it's our countdown to Black Friday event. Now through November 30th, you can save $425 off every window, $925 off every patio and entry door, and you can pay nothing for your project until November 2025. That means no money down, no payments, no interest for an entire year. Plus, you get $500 off your entire project.
That is amazing. And you know, we talked about windows, but tell us a little bit more about the patio doors you offer.
We do offer many styles of patio doors. That's including our traditional, French doors and our gliding doors. All of our patio doors are custom built, highly engineered. Now, our sliding doors or gliding doors are going to have dual ball bearing rollers. They're going to sit above the track where all that dirt collects. So they're going to be able to open and close very easily throughout the seasons. And then all of our patio doors come with our continuous weather stripping, and that's really going to provide that superior energy efficiency and leave your home comfortable.
Wow, I love that. Thank you so much, Lucy, for chatting with me. So many beautiful options and energy efficient options at Renewal by Andersen. Don't forget their countdown to Black Friday sale is going on now through November 30th. Call today and you'll get $425 off every window, $925 off every patio door and entry door, again with no money down, no monthly payments, and no interest for 1 year. Plus, as Lucy mentioned, you'll get an additional $500 off your entire project. This is their best and biggest dollar discount of the year, so don't wait. Give them a call today, 804-496-2600. Again, 804-496-2600.